MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
A new year brings a new long-term model into our fleet. This 2019 Ram 1500. Up until recently, ride and handling was probably pretty low on the list of concerns for a truck buyer, but now we're in the age of luxury trucks, and that's all changed. The Ram 1500 still offers the best big pickup truck ride in the full-size half-ton segment. And then back to the whole luxury thing, this huge tablet-style screen looks a little bit out of place, but it's also pretty cool. Our long-term Ram 1500 is a crew cab 4x4 sporting a Patriot Blue paint job in limited trim. Level 1 equipment group adds 19 speakers worth of Harman Kardon premium audio, surround view camera, and a host of advanced safety features. Off-road group adds a locking rear axle, a bunch of skid plates, and of course decals. We'll get to know this Ram 1500 even better over the next few months.